Hello guys, welcome back. If your Sony TV remote is not controlling the volume, it can be really frustrating because everything else might work fine, but you're unable to adjust sound levels. You may press the volume buttons and see no response, or the TV might not react at all. This issue is quite common and is usually caused by simple factors like remote pairing issues, signal problems, or incorrect audio settings rather than a major fault. Since volume control can depend on both the remote and the TV's audio configuration, even a small mismatch can stop it from working properly. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the volume control issue and get everything working smoothly again. Try these. 1. Replace the remote batteries with new ones. 2. Restart your Sony TV to refresh the system. 3. Point the remote directly at the TV and remove obstacles. 4. Repair or reconnect the remote with the TV. 5. Check TV audio settings to ensure volume control is enabled. 6. Test the volume buttons to confirm they are working properly.